Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today we're checking out a game-changing kitchen appliance that promises to revolutionize your cooking experience without all the oil and mess. The 6-in-1 glass air fryer is designed to handle multiple cooking tasks, but does it really deliver on all its promises? Let's take a closer look at what this sleek little device brings to your countertop. First, let's talk about the features. This air fryer isn't just about frying, far from it. With a 4.5 quart capacity, it offers 6 functions: air frying, grilling, baking, defrosting, heating, and dehydrating. So whether you're craving crispy fries, a perfectly baked piece of chicken, or even dehydrated fruits for your snacks, this unit has got you covered. The 4.5 quart panoramic glass pot is one of its standout features. Not only does it provide a clear view of your food without having to open the lid, but it's also designed for easy cleanup, being both dishwasher safe and free from lingering residue thanks to its seamless inner lining. The air fryer operates at a relatively low noise level, under 48 decibels, which makes it one of the quieter models out there. No more loud, distracting buzzing as you prepare your meal. Plus, with the intelligent touch control panel, you can adjust the temperature anywhere from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, about 38 degrees to 204 degrees Celsius, giving you full control over your cooking. And of course, safety is key. This device has overheat protection, automatically shutting off if the temperature exceeds safe levels, so you don't have to worry about any accidents. In practice, the setup for this air fryer was surprisingly simple. The digital controls are intuitive, and within minutes, I had the unit up and running. I decided to test its versatility by making a batch of fries, baking a small cake, and even dehydrating some apples. For the fries, it took only about 15 minutes to get that golden crispiness on the outside, while keeping them tender inside. When baking, the air fryer performed quite well, producing a cake with a beautiful golden crust. The dehydration function was also impressive. Though it took a little longer than I expected, the apples came out chewy and perfect for snacking. As for the cons, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. While the air fryer is versatile, the 4.5 quart capacity might be a bit small for larger families or those who entertain often. It's perfect for small to medium-sized meals, but cooking for a crowd might require multiple batches. The touch controls are responsive, but they can sometimes be a bit too sensitive. And while the glass pot is great for visibility, it does add some weight to the unit, making it less portable than some of the lighter alternatives. Now, let's talk value for money. At its price point, this air fryer does offer solid features and performs well across all its functions. However, there are competitors in the market that come at a similar price, offering either a larger capacity or a few extra advanced features. For instance, models from well-known brands like Ninja or Cosori might give you more capacity for a similar cost, but the 6-in-1 glass air fryer has the distinct advantage of being quieter and having that beautiful glass pot that makes it stand out. When it comes to build quality, the glass pot is definitely a plus, but it does feel a little fragile when compared to the more rugged plastic alternatives on the market. The build quality overall is decent, though I'd recommend handling the unit with care to avoid any unfortunate drops or bumps. As for customer support, I didn't have any issues that required me to contact the manufacturer, but based on the brand's reputation for providing responsive service, I'd expect a solid experience if you run into any issues down the line. There haven't been any notable issues reported in terms of long-term durability or functionality either, but this product is relatively new, so there's not much long-term data available yet. If you're comparing this air fryer to others, its low noise operation and glass pot are its key differentiators. However, if you're after a model with a larger capacity or more advanced features like Wi-Fi connectivity, you might find alternatives that better suit your needs. In conclusion, the 6-in-1 glass air fryer offers excellent versatility, a quiet cooking experience, and ease of use. While it may not be the best fit for large families, it's a great option for those who want a compact, easy to use, and visually appealing air fryer. If you're looking for a quieter, more aesthetically pleasing alternative to traditional air fryers, this might be the one for you. Thanks for tuning in today. If you're interested, The link to get your hands on this air fryer is in the comments below. Have you already used this model, or are you thinking about getting it? Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep cooking up a storm. And remember, there's always more Reviews Inside TV